Welcome back to Self-Service. Once you are logged in, click on the graduation cap on the left-hand side of your screen. This will open up your academics menu. Click on Request Official Transcript. This should open up a new tab or window to our transcript ordering service, Parchment. To request a transcript, you must log in or register by creating a new account. If this is your first time using this online order system, please click Create Account. This will take you to a registration form to input all of your information for Parchment to send out your transcript. Please use your personal email when signing up for Parchment. If you have already registered with this system, you will need to enter your email and password you created and click Sign In. This should then take you to Document Selection, where you would choose which institution you would like your official transcript to be sent to. After you have filled out all of the required information, it will then take you to Payment. Each transcript is $3 plus shipping if applicable, payable by card through Parchment. If you do receive any error messages or have any questions, please give us a call at 903-875-7416.